Myself, Sandeep Kumar Prajapati. I have done BFA, MFA from Banaras Hindu University, and recently I am a research scholar. So today we will study our first syllabus in your syllabus, that is a composition. Okay, so this is the first slide I am sharing with you. You can see I am working a composition. You can see a composition of a painting. You can see that there is a one plywood and I have pasted a thermocol over it, and I have done some drawing and I am cutting that thermocol with a blade. Okay, this is a large painting, a full size painting of a wall, and this was the first process. You can see that of cutting of thermocol, and this has been after cutting I have painted this painting by using this different colors. I have created this painting. You can see the light and shade has been created by line drawings of the thermocols with different colors. Okay, you can see the large painting with the close of the painting. You can see the darkness and the lightness of the painting. You can see with different colors. I have used primary, secondary, tertiary colors. I will teach in your next classes in deep what are the primary colors and the secondary and the tertiary color, how you have to make the secondary colors by mixing the primary colors. Okay, so this is the process of making a composition. Okay, this is the process I have made this painting uh, on a plywood with the using of waste thermocol and colors. You can see one creative painting of compositions. For example of composition, you can see a line drawing. You can create a composition by using a line also. Okay, so this is the zigzag abstract line on a wall. You can see I am working with a black color using the line with different forms with a zigzag and some story related. You can see a small size origami birds are theirs. You can see the large walls and it has been painted with a black line. Only a line has been used. This is the composition. Compositions can be any type. You can see using line, colors, forms, textures. These are the points which you can use in your paintings. Okay, you can see that I have used some forms here also. A story, origami birds, you can see. Okay, these are the compositions part of. In previous slide, you can see here I have used only line, and but in the next slide you can see that I have used colors also. Some forms of human figures has been used in this painting. So you can see depiction of different forms of you can see different forms of homes, buses, and many human figures with the origami birds are there. Okay, you can see the closer view of this composition painting. This is the wall painting. This is called mural. Mural, mural is which has been done on the wall. Okay, this is called mural paintings. Basically, I have done this painting, interior painting, with the, you can see the paintings and the furnitures are mixing. Okay. This is the large part which I have done the photo of this mural paintings. This is the tree which I have made with an abstract form. It is also called a compositions. Okay, so you can see that I have done in my own style a tree form. Okay, birds are sitting and doing meetings. This is the one concept I have taken and I have drawn on the wall. Only line basic composition is that only using the lines. Here you can see what is the importance of line in drawing. If your drawing is very clear and very matured, you are drawing a clear drawing, then your drawing will be perfect. Okay. You can see the more pictures about that. This is the finish and the complete part of this composition painting. Okay. Next, you can see that one sculpture in your syllabus, there is some related sculpture also. So I have made one bull in front of this. You can see one chorha is there. In that around, I have made one bull, a large bull of metal and UP structure. You can see that I am working here. Okay. These are also a form of sculpture. So we will study a deep in the next class how we can make a sculpture with a clay or a paper mache or a POP with or a metal, how we can make a different kind of sculptures. Okay, these are the all the photographs from that. Next, you can see the one composition of painting of two yogis babas. You can see they are sitting. I have made on paintings. So this is the composition of using how we have to use the colors and what uh, about the dark and lights. You can see. Okay. You can see one composition of Natraj, and here I have used a textural. You can see the textural part of the background and the tonal, how we can use the painting or the colors in the paintings. You can see the tones of the colors. It is going dark to light. You can see my this mouse circle, and this you can see that from dark to light, how the colors is from dark to light we have to use. This is the one painting I have made in a composition. The next painting we can see that one, it is in watercolor basically, and here it is a composition of a god of a woman is worship, and one man and one two human figures I have depicted here. So this is the one composition in your syllabus that is very important. How the daily life scene has been drawn. I have taken. So these are all kinds of colors has been used. Watercolor basically. The more important is that how we have to use watercolor, oil color, and acrylic color. We'll teach in next class, and we'll learn in the next class how we have to apply on the paper, what kind of paper we have to use, what kind of color we have to use. Okay. Next, we'll see the next slide, that is of a ghat. It is done in with the watercolor. Basically, the main is very less color has been used, but more water. Watercolor is that 90% water has been used and 10% only color has been used in this painting. You can see all things has been made, basically the dark section and the light section. You have to observe the light section and the dark section. Then you can create a painting with a shadow or a. Okay, next. This is the pen drawing which I have used. You can use a pen, pencil, anything for doing drawing or painting. Okay. This is the doodling, abstract doodling. You can see a doodling painting, a story of Banaras basically I have taken. This is a big panel I painted with in a acrylic color. You can see a deep, everything has been made. A detailed work with basic line drawing, a composition. It's all called a composition. Composition of line, colors, form, textures, everything. Okay. So, okay, student, this is all about the today class. We'll learn more in next class. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.